Hello everyone, welcome to my channel India Gate. This is Sharma, and in this video we talk about the two most important posts of the NIC, which are scientific technical assistant and scientist B. And here we discuss the whole syllabus of the scientist B and scientific technical assistant A, plus what is the examination pattern as well as examination date of this two posts. So come to the first most important point, that is your NIC Scientist B syllabus 2020. So the syllabus is divided into two parts. First is your technical knowledge and second is your generic knowledge. So basis of the technical knowledge, it is totally based on the syllabus of the computer science, where important topics are and subpoints are probability, statistics and combinators, computer organization and architecture, analog and digital communication, digital logic, electrical engineering, algorithms, compilers, programming and data structure, cloud technologies, web technologies, operating system, database, cybersecurity and emerging technologies, computer network, information system and software engineering. Now come to the next subpart of the pattern, that is your generic knowledge, and it include logical reasoning, analytical reasoning capabilities, quantitative and qualitative abilities and general aptitude. Now come to the pattern of the scientist B post. So here we know about that in the subjects are generic knowledge and technical knowledge. Okay, so total number of questions in the generic knowledge is 42 and marks is allotted to the 42, means each correct question taking the one answer. And here is most important things, there is also negative marking, that is your 0.25, means 1/4 part of the correct answer. So you should remember this most important point. And second is your technical knowledge, where total number of the questions 78 and total number of the marks is 78. Now we say that overall total is basis of the number of questions is 120 and marks is 120. Now come to the next, that is your NIC Scientific Technical Assistant A syllabus. Now here also divided into two parts, that is your generic knowledge and second is your technical knowledge. In the generic knowledge, it is also similar to the above pattern, that is scientific B. And in the case of the generic knowledge, sub points and topics are logical reasoning, analytical reasoning capabilities, quantitative and qualitative abilities and general aptitude. Now come to the technical knowledge, which is related to your computer science, and sub parts are probability, statistics and combinators, computer organization and architecture, analog and digital communication, digital logic, electrical engineering, algorithm, compilers, programming and data structure, cloud technologies, web technologies, operating system, database, cybersecurity and emerging technologies, computer network, information systems and software engineering. So these are the most important syllabus about the scientific technical assistant A. Now come to the pattern. So pattern is also similar to the scientist B, and here total number of question is 120 and total number of marks is also 120, and here is also negative marking, that is your 0.25. Now come to the date schedule of the written examination for post of the scientist B and scientific technical assistant A. So the scientist paper is held in the first slot, and date is your 7th November 2020, and the examination time is 9:30 to 12:30 p.m. Okay, and here reporting time for this post candidate is 8 a.m. at morning time. Okay, and come to the next paper, that is your scientific technical assessment A, which is held in slot 2, and it is also held in the same date, means 7 November 2020. Okay, and here examination time is changed, that is your 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. and reporting time for this post is 1:30 o'clock in afternoon. Okay, and we say that there is most important point about the admit card. So the admit card will be uploaded in the portal by first week of the October 2020. Now this session is end here. I hope you understand all the informations. Thank you for watching.